Hello and welcome to Lead Lightning. I'm going to give you a quick tour and let you know just what you bought and why I call it the best $7 you can ever spend. So what is Lead Lightning? Lead Lightning is a lead generation system that targets people in the home business niche by offering a lead capture page, a contact manager, and an autoresponder for a one-time $7. You can use Lead Lightning to promote any one link through the emails that it sends out on your behalf, totally automatically. And not only that, but it also promotes itself the same leads in order to earn you $6 commissions every time someone else buys it from you. So if you have an online business, you can use this to promote it. And if you don't have one already, then you can earn $6 over and over and over. Now, just to be clear, and results not typical, I have sold over 1,300 different $6 sales and generated something like 40,000 emails, leads with this system. However, it is really just like it's just a tripwire version of the Power Lead system, which is a full-featured online business system, which I recommend you upgrade to immediately, like immediately. But I understand if you don't. I tell people that Lead Lightning is like a gumball machine, and the Power Lead system is like a full vending machine with chips and soda and candy and all that. Now that should make it concrete enough for you to understand. Okay, now when you go to the training section, you'll learn a lot more and how you can use this to create a real full-time income just following some simple directions. So here's what to do now. If you have a business link you want to promote, add it to the field below and press update. Then you'll choose to either promote the free lead system or to promote Lead Lightning. Now either way is great. I like promoting the free lead system. It just gets people in the door, and then Lead Lightning kind of helps them move up the ladder. However, you'll find the serious people who buy Lead Lightning just because it's $6, and those are buyer leads. That's what the whole sales page is about. That's how you know someone is a buyer lead, because they're willing to pay $6. Now, some people want to get rich and do everything for free, and so those are not good leads. Okay, so once you figured out that this is all an excellent business model and a system, you're going to promote your link just like having that gumball machine. People need to see it before they can buy anything. So you'll want to upgrade all the way in Power Lead System as soon as you can, because then you'll be able to earn residual $20 commissions and one-time commissions of $100, $400, and $1,000 commissions. One time. You'll learn about that as you upgrade. Now, you'll probably want to see the training and watch the case studies, of especially mine, because mine is brilliant. But right now, just grab your link from below and then follow the next steps so that you can either upgrade or start promoting your business link now. I will see you